The orientation of the birds is not just an introduction, it's an experience. The room is filled with excitement, laughter, and a spark of creativity we all share.
As you know, we do face multiple issues like we won't get a proper mentor, or we won't get the right idea, or we won't get the proper support if we compare it to the other colleges. So we do struggle. So we, the birds, came up with this innovation club, student innovation club, where you get to learn, where you get a proper mentee, where you get to learn and even explore.
Me being the host, I enjoyed it very much because the crowd was very lively. I enjoyed being the host. I even gave them chocolates. And the fun part was them trying to catch those chocolates and stealing from one another.
At Birds, we all dream, design, discover, and fly.